Okay, 2010 F-150, what do they call that? Actuator, regulator, blender. It's the blender, right? So it's when your driver's side stays hot and your passenger side stays cold, you vary the temperature, it doesn't work, and you've got dual climate control, right? So that's this piece, right? This is the second time I've replaced it. Why it's going out, I don't know. But I mean, you can see I've got my truck completely dismantled, right? I'm 4 hours into this, the chairs out and everything. I don't need to do all this. I didn't do all this last time, so I don't know where I was stuck this time, but pulling all the vent out and stuff. So let me try to save you some time and do it yourself. So the problem is getting this thing out of here, right? Fits in there super tight, right? I even took out this bracket and that vent, carpet back, everything to get to it. But it's super tight. So what I did this time, I used a heat gun and a tool for removing the clips and stuff. I heated my vent up right here and bent it down. Now this part slides in here. That's the old one, didn't want to go in anyway. Goes in way easier, so I just pry this down. Right, pry that down, and that slides in and out way easier. Be careful, I went to Napa and they had one of these that was real thick. The whole body of it was this thick, and I took it back. I said, there's no freaking way that's gonna fit. Come on, some way the other one. There's like 6 parts. I don't know. You gotta be real careful on which it is. This one was a little bit different on the ends, but I'm hoping it's gonna fit. I'm having trouble getting the wiring connector in right now, just reaching back there with my fingers. So I think I even cut this out, so this will come down a little bit further. But you pry it real good. I think I'm gonna cut this top edge off here with a Dremel, so I can get my fingers back there to get that wiring harness in. Ooh, what's my phone doing? She's tripping balls. Get that wiring harness in. Anyway, I heated from here and I heated inside, right, hotter, and then press that down. Maybe because it's just a right angle, you don't need it. I've seen guys cut this off just because it's, whatever. Anyway, good luck. Well, the good news is using that bit and cutting that out did help me able to reach my hand back there to get to the wire. Ooh, there's an extra piece. Look at that. So I got the wire in the back. Now I'm having trouble with the alignment. I did notice that there's teeth on this, and the old one wasn't lined up with this arrow. Then it was in a different spot, so I don't know if I'm gonna have trouble rotating it in there or what, but I'm getting closer.